We are back with another review video today from one of my favorite sponsors for my YouTube channel, and that's AutoCast. Now, a couple weeks ago, I did a review of one of their products. It was super small. It pretty much gave you the ability to take wired CarPlay or Android Auto and make it wireless by just plugging in a little USB. This product here is something they offer that's a step up from that. It lets you watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, a lot of the popular streaming apps. It lets you watch them from your phone to stream it directly on the dashboard of whatever vehicle you have. So that's the advantage to one of the newer vehicles. So the 2024 and newer Toyota Tacomas, like this one, already has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. This car next to me does not. So you can use this device in a vehicle that already has wireless CarPlay or a vehicle that doesn't. And if you use it with a vehicle that doesn't, not only do you gain the ability to use wireless CarPlay, you can also stream video apps on it. Or if you have a newer vehicle like this Tacoma, you'll be able to watch Netflix on your entertainment center. And in the past, a couple of people have asked me, is this something you can do while you're driving? Yes. The product will work while you're driving. Obviously, if you're the only person in the car, I would not advise you to watch Netflix while you're driving. This is really meant for if you're parked, if you're on your lunch break at work, something like that, or if you have people in the back seat or your passenger is interested in watching a movie on the dashboard inside your car. It's a great thing. Not meant for when you're actually driving, but it does technically work. So we'll be taking a look at this box a little bit. We'll go ahead and unbox it and see exactly what you get. We'll hook it up, we'll play around with it, and just get a good feel for how well the software works, if it's fast or slow. And I will throw a link in the description that will link directly to this product on Amazon. So if you are interested in buying this product or checking out the reviews or seeing other people's reviews or just learning more about this product, you'll easily be able to access that. So let's go ahead and get started with what comes in this box. The close-up of the box here, it is AutoCast Play2Video Ultra. This is the back of it. Just has information as to where the business is located out of. It lets you do streaming entertainment. It converts it to wireless CarPlay and Android Auto if you don't already have that ability. It has over-the-air updates and multimedia playbook. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what the device actually looks like. Start with taking the plastic off here. And of course you have the owner's manual as well as the quick guide. So if you don't want to read through the entire owner's manual, you do have the quick guide that will give you all the information that you need. And of course we have the actual device itself. The reason why it has this device is because some of the newer cars, including the 2024 Tacoma, they do not actually have a regular USB like this. They only have plugs for this. So you simply just plug it in and boom, there you go. So that's not a problem if you have a newer vehicle that doesn't have the large regular USBs. It comes with this. Everyone you order has this. So it comes in super handy. Essentially, this is the device. You would plug this into your head unit, and that is how it works. The first thing you want to do is take the device and hook it up in the 2024 Tacoma. That's going to be on the side of the display screen. Once you get hooked up, we'll go ahead and turn the car on. You can either turn the car on accessory mode or completely on. Once you get it hooked up, we'll go ahead and turn the vehicle onto accessory mode. This is the normal warning screen. We'll just hit continue there. Turn the radio off. You can see the AutoCast is showing up on the screen. This is not something that normally pops up if you don't have this device plugged in. You see this little icon there. And it'll give you a little warning here. And this is the setup for it. So you'll go ahead and put whatever language you want this set up on. We'll go ahead and do English because that is the only language that I currently speak. It's now asking for your location. So any country that you're in, put that information, then hit next. Time format, we'll do 12-hour. We'll go ahead and connect it to the Wi-Fi. For connecting to Wi-Fi, you'll connect to it. It will show all the available Wi-Fi networks based on your location. Pick the one that you want to connect to, put in the security password for your Wi-Fi if you have one. We'll go ahead and hit accept and continue. And here we go. It takes us to this screen. We'll see how fast Netflix loads. All right, so that didn't take very long at all. We'll hit get started. It should pop up to a login screen. And there we go. So one thing that's great about this is it lets you watch Netflix without having to have your phone connected. So you can stream Wi-Fi. If your phone has Wi-Fi, you could connect your phone to it and be able to watch it that way. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the different options. We have YouTube. So YouTube has popped up here. We'll go ahead and search for the Tacoma Enthusiast YouTube channel. And look at that, perfect. I didn't even have to type in the full name and it's already suggesting my channel here. And here we go. We'll go ahead and hit view channel. And here is my YouTube channel that I'm now able to get to through this device on my vehicle without having to hook up my phone through it. So we can see here that the video quality is really good. Let's go ahead and see if we can make this full screen here. Yeah, great video quality. So you're just imagining that you're just sitting here on your lunch break, wanting to catch up on some new Tacoma Enthusiast videos or Netflix or Amazon Prime or anything like that. You can do that with this without even hooking up your phone. You do need to be connected to a Wi-Fi source, so you can use your phone as a hotspot, or if you're parked near your house or somewhere where they have free Wi-Fi, this is a great place to connect to it to be able to watch stuff. So overall, this is great. It's not very laggy. There's not a lot of issues where I'm pressing the button and it's maybe off center or anything like that. It seems they've got a lot of the issues ironed out. And one thing to note is that you can also listen to Spotify and different apps that let you stream music. So it's not just movies. So if you're interested in stuff other than movies, you know, that's great. You have that option there. We have Amazon Prime that has your information, so you can log in there to be able to watch anything that you want. The IPTV. And if you want to connect your phone to it, this gives you the information. You would connect it through Bluetooth to be able to stream from your phone to here. So if you are not wanting to use Netflix directly from here, you can stream it from your phone, which is great. You can see we have different apps here. As you can see, Apple Music, pretty much anything you want. A ton of different apps here that you can download to this device. TikTok, you can watch TikTok on here. Disney Plus, Tubi, pretty much anything that you want is available here. It is really easy to navigate. That is one thing that I want to point out. It does come in super handy where you're not having to press things 600 times for them to show up on the screen. Overall, it moves well. It's not laggy or anything like that. It loads in a good amount of time, and the time from when you turn the vehicle on to when you have this pop up is an option that you can do. It's really only a couple seconds, so it is very quick. You can keep this plugged in, and with this device, I literally could just push it back over here and never have to worry about it again, and have the ability to watch Netflix if I'm on my lunch break, or with anyone in the car driving down the road. If they want to watch Netflix while I'm driving, that's totally an option with this AutoCast device. So this is just a little bit about what this tool has to offer. Overall, I really like it. It comes in handy, and being able to stream Netflix on this giant 14-inch screen is so nice. So there you have it. The ability to take any vehicle that has wireless CarPlay and give you the ability to watch Netflix or any streaming app or any music streaming app as well. Or you have the ability to sync it to your phone and be able to use your phone to stream videos on there and through text messages and anything that you need to use it for. Or if you have a vehicle like this one that doesn't have wireless CarPlay, it gives it the ability to have wireless CarPlay. So overall, it's a great product. There is a link in the description. If you are interested, definitely check it out. I will be keeping this and using it because it will come in super handy on those long road trips. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.